What's up guys, Winner Singh here. I hope you have a fantastic day. I am in Singapore and today I'm going to eat Indian Punjabi food. This restaurant is also near to my hostel where I stay. So that is why I take the decision to try my culture food. The owner of the restaurant is from Pakistan. That is why they have the flag sign onto the menu. Here is my order. It's dal makhani and Matar Paneer. It's 9 cubes of paneer and that is good for a single person. It's a 2 chapatis, garnish of cottage cheese and clarified butter. Let's take the first bite with the Matar Paneer. Oh, this paneer is so smooth and silky. Oh man, it's so good and so tasty. Good thing about this restaurant is we can eat as well as we can view the street. So it's a street food. Look at this magnificent tandoori chapati. They are using the good quality thus. Now I want to eat with the dal. And when you dip the chapati into the dal, the chapati will be more soft. This dal roti combination is blowing my mind. I want to do something amazing and I am going to eat both at the same time. 1 cube of paneer and dal. One of the best thing about eating with your fingers is it adds an extra element to the flavor. I forgot to mention that I ordered the Coca-Cola. It has a 35% less sugar. It's not a sugar-free, it's not a diet, but it has a less sugar. That is good. It's my last bite, but still the chapati is very soft. I am really enjoying my food. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, press the thumb button and please subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. And click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. God bless you and your family.